Hello people, this is Richard from Debru, and in this video we're going to be doing a tutorial of the affiliate network Nutracash. Okay, so we are currently on the Nutracash website. I said Nutracash, no, Nutracash website, and we can see anti-fraud. We inspect each cell generated with a microscope. We protect our affiliates from being ripped off. So essentially they're saying that you are going to get paid for the offers, which is good, something that we hopefully would expect as affiliates. But there are some shady networks out there and shady advertisers too, so that's one thing, be careful. We handpick each individual who signs up only after each passes multiple background and fraud checks. Standard process for networks, they want to make sure that you are legit, you're not sending fraudulent traffic or shitty traffic, because then that messes up things with the advertisers, and nobody wins, right? So that's pretty cool. Best offers, we watch conversion ratios and traffic trends to monitor for issues. We make sure you get paid what you deserve, and biggest payouts. I'm not going to read too much because yeah, I don't want to say anything too nasty, but the copywriting wasn't that entertaining. What is Nutracash? An affiliate network that focuses on high-paying trial Nutra offers that convert. So it's focused around obviously Nutra and specifically trial offers within the Nutra vertical. So let's take a look at the sign-up process for affiliates. Okay, so if you're an affiliate, you on this page, let me just show you. You select publishers. You'll be then taken to this page where you can enter your company name or your name. You then enter your address, your details, so your login details, email address, password, your full name, and then there's going to be some questions around your experience. So, like, for example, how did you hear about our network? You know, general question. But then there's a question that asks you, how do you plan on promoting our offers? So this is very experience related. So you should talk about your traffic source. Do you run Facebook? Do you run Snapchat? Do you run Instagram? Do you run native traffic? Do you run search traffic? Do you run email traffic? This is where you essentially sell your skills and talk about the traffic sources that you run. And talk about some example campaigns that you currently run as well. I would also like to drop in the revenue that I generate, just because for me, based on the revenue that I generate, it is something that instantly gets me inside of a network. But for you, it could be you know, how quickly you generate revenue. You can even just explain your process or where you are right now with affiliate marketing. The main thing is you do not want to sound like a complete newbie, because newbies are a bit of a headache for a lot of affiliate managers, because there's loads of questions, not much traffic, not much volume, not much money, but there's a lot of time taken. And people, time is money. So you gotta make sure that if you're gonna take someone's time, you're gonna be providing some financial value for them. And that's the game of affiliate marketing. So then you'd say, there's another question around, please name a few other networks that you currently work with. Please provide your affiliate rep's name at the networks. So yeah. How you answer that is how you answer that. So cool. We're going to take a look inside of Nutracash and check out the network and see what offers they promote. So we are on the offers section of Nutracash, and we can see straight away there are some BizOp offers, some skin offers, some hemp and CBD, and there's some more BizOp offers. So let's have a look. So they're using the Has Offers affiliate network software. So you're going to see a lot of networks that look quite similar to this, and that's because their back-end system is utilizing the Has Offers software. The benefit of that is that if you run with one network who uses Has Offers and you want to set up your tracking, it's very easy for you to then set up tracking with another network who uses Has Offers, because it's the same parameters and the same tokens.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, I'm not sure what just happened. I think my camera ran out of space on the memory card, but it's pure hustle. So we're gonna keep going from here. So right now we are inside the Nutracash network, and we're looking at offers, and we are now about to search and filter within the network for a particular offer. So I'm not going to select any country. I am just going to focus on the categories. So by category, and let's look at some diet offers that they run within this network. So select add, select apply. Let's take a look. So they have some keto burn diet offers in the United States. There's an offer in the UK, Germany, France. Let's have a look at this UK offer for this keto. Let's take a look. Okay, cool. So I am in the UK, so I do not need to, put on my VPN right now, and I can just check that offer out. Okay, so if you run keto, you'll probably be very used to this landing page. It's pretty much the same landing page for every single keto offer in the world. To be fair, all trial offers, they run the same lander, because these landers do convert really well. And if something's doing well, you do not want to step away from the norm. You don't want to start essentially testing something out or running something that is doing much less conversions. Stick with what works and just focus on scaling that out. And this is what all the networks and the advertisers that run this lander are essentially doing. So this lander works really well, and this is one of the offers inside of Nutracash. So let's take a look back. Let's go back to the network. Let's go back to the offers, sorry. And let's look at some other verticals inside of Nutracash. So these are the sub verticals. So we have some brain offers, blood pressure, beard. I'm okay for a beard offer. But there's eyebrow, eyelash. There's quite a big range, to be perfectly fair. I didn't actually expect such a large variety of offers. They even have a sleep offer. So I'm guessing that's potentially ecom related, or is that a pill? I'm actually quite curious. Let's take a look. Let's see. So a good nighter, I had a feeling it would be ecom. So we have a good nighter COD, which is running in the United Arab Emirates. And I'm quite curious. I want to see how that offer actually looks. Alright, so I'm actually not going to check the offer right now in terms of that link. Let's see if you can preview it without having to put on a VPN. I think we can. So a good nighter COD offer. Obviously this is not in English, so I cannot translate this. I do not speak Arabic, but Google can. So let's see if Google can do the job. Okay, barely does the job. First name, title, city, don't know what that means. Governor. Okay, that's like the state, email, and phone. So with COD, as some of you should already know, as soon as they enter their phone number, they will basically be put on a list, and a call center agent will then call up the customer and essentially just confirm their purchase over the phone. No money is being exchanged at this point, but once they've confirmed that they want to pay and that they're happy for the courier to deliver the product, we get paid as affiliates, and essentially the customer then pays the courier in cash like the following day or something like that, but we've already been paid. Our side of the bargain has been complete, which is very cool. And this is why I love COD, because it takes a lot of the headaches out of running traditional e-com and traditional sort of pay per sale type offers, which is very cool. So then there's obviously the reporting tools inside of Nutracash. As we can see here, we have a performance report. There's no data that we have. I haven't run any sort of traffic with this particular network, but if I did, I'd be able to see it here. I'd be able to see my top 3 offers, some of the conversions on those offers. I can select clicks, conversions and clicks, and this will essentially show like 2 line graphs. One will be conversion, one will be clicks. So yeah, it's pretty standard stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to end it here. If you currently run traffic with Nutracash, please let us know in the comments. If you're interested in joining this network and you want to sort of go into some of the BizOp, Nutra, sort of niches and verticals. Drop that into the comments as well. Let me know your thoughts on that. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.